Hi, I'm John, and I like to relax.
He really does. And I'm Tammy, and I like to explore.
She really does.
And I'm Austin, and I like to repeat.
He really does.
And together we are Relax, Explore, Repeat. We're on Arcadia Beach at Hug Point. There's a big cave over there on the side of the cliff, I guess, and lots of big rocks. We're looking for arch. There's an arch rock. I think it's a mile north of here. There's not really any place you can drive down to it, so we're gonna take a hike on the sand and see if we can find it. It's weird how drastic the tide differences are. I guess maybe because the beach is so flat. Low tide, the tide goes like way out and then comes way back in. I'm guessing it's because it's so flat here. It doesn't just go out and drop off or whatever. There's lots of flat surface for the water to roll up on. That's my guess. That's a neat viewing platform up there on the hill. And some cool houses. High dollar real estate. With views like that. Or views like that. The cave. Another cave. Some tide pools. Low tide's cool. Ahead in the fog, we see a hump of a rock. Can't really tell if that's it or not, but we're hoping so. We've walked about 3/4 of a mile at this point, so hopefully that's it. A little river running through the beach right here. Well, I can see that rock fairly clearly now, and that is not the arch rock, so must be beyond there somewhere. We continue on. Well, there it is. I almost went past it. You can't see the arch from the south side, so I kept walking. I was going to walk on down the beach farther to another rock that I can see, and Tammy walked inward a little bit and said, hey, here it is. So it saved me a trip down to that other rock. There's Arch Rock. Let's see, let's walk through the arch since we're here. Wow. Right, if this was high tide, we would not be here, because this would be in the water, which is cool. I like this. Let's go off too. Definitely need to get a selfie here. bubble. Probably air that was in the sand, trapped in the sand, coming to the surface. Maybe, or maybe there's a little creature under there blowing bubbles. I don't know. Looks like he moved after I flipped him on. Can't be alive. No. Pacific Northwest. Foggy and rocky. And very pretty. Sandy spot. Nice. Little alcove here. A little bit of a contrast from jaggedy, super jaggedy rocks to really smooth right here. Yeah, this is a really neat area. We found a waterfall north of where we came down on the beach. A waterfall. Down on the rocks next to the cave.